8 Natural Anti-Aging Tips. Do you want to learn how to naturally fight aging? In this video, we're going to show you 8 simple tips that will help you look younger and feel healthier. You'll also see how to use ingredients from your kitchen to make your skin glow. I hope you enjoy the video. Number 1. Green tea. That green tea is an effective weight loss solution is known. However, what you might not have known is that green tea is rich in antioxidants known as EGCG, which helps battle wrinkles and increases cell turnover. How to use. Brew a cup of green tea on medium heat and wait for it to warm. Soak a face cloth and place over your eyes. The heat will open up pores and the tea will infuse itself into your skin. Its natural anti-aging properties will help deflate bags under the eyes while also treating the rest of your face. Number 2. Ginger. A common kitchen ingredient, ginger is rich in an antioxidant known as gingerol, which has been proven to protect against collagen breakdown. How to use. Start the day with a cup of hot tea with shredded ginger and a dollop of honey for maximum anti-aging benefits to the skin. Number 3. Banana. There is more a banana can do than just fill you up at breakfast. It is also known to boost collagen production, known to keep skin aging at bay. How to use. To make a banana anti-wrinkle face mask, take a ripe banana and mix it with honey. Apply on your face. Allow it to dry. Wash off with warm water, and notice the tightness in your skin in 4 weeks flat. Number 4. Lemon juice. Lemon juice contains alpha-hydroxy acid, a common ingredient in natural anti-aging treatments which helps peel away the layer of dead skin cells. How to use. Mix lemon juice with sugar crystals to create an exfoliating scrub for your hands. Remember, your hands age faster than your face. Number 5. Avocado. This superfruit, when applied to dry skin, helps lubricate skin. Their high levels of fats and vitamins like A, D and E help skin retain moisture and work as anti-agers. How to use. Include the fruit as frequently as possible as part of your diet. Number 6. Aloe. Powered with beta-carotene and vitamin C and E, which help keep skin plump, this ingredient is a regular in most natural anti-aging potions. How to use. Cut and peel an aloe vera leaf to expose the gel inside, then apply to skin. Also, drink a small glass of natural aloe vera juice twice a week. Number 7. Cucumber. High in water content, and packed with nutrients such as magnesium, potassium, vitamins A and E, cucumbers promote blood circulation and healing, which help reduce wrinkles around the eyes and makes for a glowing complexion. How to use. Place cucumber slices over your eyes to depuff. You can also juice a cucumber and add a few drops of honey to make a soothing, hydrating face mask. Number 8. Orange. Powered with vitamin C, which is a naturally brightener, citrus fruits can be a great way to keep aging at bay. They help cleanse you from the inside out by removing toxins and impurities that could show up on your face. How to use. Use a slice of orange in a face pack made with oatmeal and honey for greater benefits. Or simply soak a piece of cotton in a bowl of homemade orange juice, wipe your face with it, and notice the brightness over a period.